Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. My dear ones, I hope all of you are ready with your English Literature Workbook Part 2. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good. Okay. In the previous session, we have discussed about the synonyms, right?
Yes.
And we have tried to form new sentences by replacing one word of the sentence with its synonym. I had instructed all of you to go through all the examples from that exercise. I hope you have been able to do that. Did you face anything difficult to understand from that particular topic?
No, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. That was a very
Ma'am, I found
simple.
out the weatherly meaning.
Sorry, please say it again. Yes,
Ma'am,
Emmanuel?
the last question in the previous class,
Huh.
page 14,
Yeah.
I found out the weatherly meaning.
Okay. Tell me the spelling first.
Wealthy.
Ah, wealthy. Yeah. What is it? Wealthy. Say the words correctly first. Wealthy.
Rich.
Yeah, really good. Wealthy means rich, a person who has lots of money. Wealthy person, right? Did everybody write that answer? We had discussed it that time only, but we had not written it. So all of you were supposed to do it. Show me, please show me page number 14. Come on.
Ma'am, I have done it.
Yeah. Yeah, very good. What about the others?
Ayush doesn't show.
Hedelin is writing now. Okay, good, good. Very good, my dear ones.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
done.
done, done.
at mother's home.
Okay, Ayush, no worries. Now I want all of you to keep your devices muted. We will start with module number 9. All of you who have done the work
The answers.
correctly, very good. Those who have not done it, do it right away. That's a very simple thing to be done, right? Come on, do it now.
Ma'am, I gave it.
Now we move ahead with module number 9.
Can I say the answers first?
Yeah.
Golf. English.
No, not this.
Yes. Ma'am, I can circling.
I want everybody to keep their devices muted. Emmanuel, first you mute your device. Okay. Today, the topic that we are going to discuss is outdoor games and activities. Outdoor games and activities. Outdoor games. The term itself explains it to us, right? Outdoor games and activities. Outdoor. Rohan, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the term outdoor games and activities and tell me, what do you understand by the term outdoor? Outdoor. Outdoor. What is the meaning of out?
Go.
Outside, right?
Yes.
Outside. So what is outdoor? Outside the door. Yes?
Yes.
Rohan, as simple as that, right? So when you go outside the door of your house, where do you reach?
Outside of
Yeah, if you go outside, I'm not telling you to go outside. When you go outside the door, where do you reach? You reach the lawn or garden of your house, right? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. So there are some games or activities which are played outside, outside in the open, outside in the open. And such games or activities are called outdoor games and activities. Is it clear to you all, everybody? Yes, outdoor games and activities. Some games and activities can be played or done outside, and some can be played or done inside. Games or activities that can be played or done outside are called outdoor games and activities. Clear? Games or activities that can be played or done outside are called outdoor games and activities. Understood, everyone? Yes, very simple, right? Okay, Rohan, I want you to tell me the definition of outdoor games and activities. One more time, come on. I need to make sure that you have understood it. Come on.
Which one?
Outdoor games and activities, what are they?
Outside.
Games or activities
Games or activities
that can be
that can be
played or done
played or done
outside are called outside games, outdoor games and activities.
Outdoor games and activities.
Did you understand now?
Yes.
Outdoor games and activities. Where are they done? Where can they be done?
Outside.
Outside. Yes, very good. Outdoor games and activities can be played or done outside. Okay, thank you, Rohan. Now we will be doing all these activities one by one. We will be understanding more about them. 2.1. We need to fill in the missing letters in the names of the given outdoor games and activities. And once we do that, we will be able to complete the word search puzzle. One is already done for you. Aiden, unmute your device. Read the first name. The name of the first game. H-I. Read the first one. See, I have underlined it.
H-I-K-I-N-G.
Read it. How do you read that word? K-I-N-G. H-I, K-I-N-G. What is K-I-N-G? K-I-N-G. Aiden, unmute. Switch on the camera. King. Hi, king. Hi, king. What do you understand by hiking?
Climbing the hills.
Hills or mountains. Yes, mountain climbing. That activity is also called hiking. Hiking. See, look at the picture. The man is trying to climb a hill or a mountain. Okay? He is taking support of a long and strong piece of wood, right? All right. And this word is already encircled here. Did you notice it? Hiking. Okay. Now, these vertical bars are called, before I tell, I want to see whether you know. What are these called? horizontal ones and vertical ones. You will find words arranged horizontally and vertically, both. What are the vertical ones called? Yes, Renfred, unmute.
Standing.
Have you heard about rows and columns?
Yes.
Yeah, what are the vertical ones called?
Rows.
Hmm?
No, columns.
Are you sure?
Uh,
What about the horizontal ones?
Horizontal ones are rows.
Rows. And vertical ones are?
Columns.
Yeah, clear?
Yes. What about the
Okay.
diagonal ones?
What about the diagonal ones? Oh, I'm not very sure about it. I'll check and inform you.
Okay.
The term, the apt term for that. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're-
Emmanuel, unmute your device. Identify the second image.
Golf.
Golf, yes. Spelling?
GOLF.
GOLF.
We had to
Locate
check
it. Locate it in the word puzzle for me. Find it out. Locate means to find out something. All of you are supposed to do that. And tell me which row or which column is it? Golf. Yes, you're right. GOLF. That is in the first column. Did everybody get it?
I already write all of it.
Ah, okay, okay. I have written, not I already write. Fida, unmute. Try the next one. The third one.
Fishing.
Fishing. Spelling.
FISHING.
Very good. FISHING. Locate it
In
in the
second
word
row.
search puzzle.
Second row.
The second
Second
row.
row.
Yes, very good. FISHING. Fishing. Okay, thank you, Fida. Good. Ayush, unmute. Try the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Try the fourth one. That's a game which is played by a group of children. One child will throw a stone or something of that sort, and then they will jump on one leg.
Numbers.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are there in this particular case. So that depends on the choice of the students. They can write as many numbers and they can draw as many boxes as they want. What is the name of this game? Do you know?
No.
No? Okay. Is there anybody who knows that? Yes, Aisha, come on.
Hopscotch.
Very good. Help me with the spelling.
HOPSCOTCH.
Yes, hopscotch. Hopscotch. Try to locate it in the word search puzzle. Locate it in the word search puzzle. Come on, be fast. Did you get it?
A recording. No.
Okay, okay. I will help you. HOPSCOTCH. Which column is it? Have a look at the screen, Aisha. Did you get it? Did you get the word?
Yes.
Yeah.
Third row.
Third, is it the third one?
Fourth.
Fourth column. Fourth column. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Marilyn, unmute. Try the fifth one. This one, fifth.
Badminton.
No, my dear. Try to have a look at this word, the name of the game. A ball is there. A bat and ball. So which game is played using a bat and a ball? And this is not the cricket bat.
Tennis.
Tennis, yes, very good. Spelling?
T-I.
Ten. What is the spelling of 10?
T-E.
Tennis. Tennis. T-E-N.
T-E-N.
N-I-S. Tennis. Okay. Tennis.
Okay.
Okay, good. Thank you. Nived, unmute. Try the sixth one.
Ma'am, that column and is column.
Yeah. Adeline, can you tell me where it is? Tennis. Did you get it? Search. Carefully. Look at it carefully. You will get it. I'll give you a clue. Another game's name is already circled near it. Look carefully. The name of another game is already circled there, near tennis. Got it? Yes, Agnel Gills. Try.
Ma'am.
Where is it? Tell me the position.
Hiking.
Yes, below the word hiking, right?
Below the word.
Yes, it's the third row. Third row. Okay, Agnel? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Adeline, understood? Okay, fine. Nived, unmute. Try the next one, number 6.
Unmute.
Nived, try the next one. Yes, Nived.
I don't know this game. I did not see.
Okay. Let me ask. Who's aware of this? The name of this game? Yes, Evelyn, try. Evelyn is raising both the hands.
Coco.
It's not Coco, my dear. Coco. K-H-O. Yes, Coco. K-H-O.
K-H-O.
Yes, very good. K-H-O. Some children will be sitting on this line and the others will moving around that line trying to catch. One of them will be getting up and running.
12th column.
12th column. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Yes, you're right. Very good. Coco. Did everybody mark all the 6 words? One is already done, so we need to mark only 5. Have you been able to do it? All of you? Okay, very good. May I move to the next part? This is way simpler. Adrinath, unmute. Here we need to match the words with the correct pictures. Read the first one.
Horse riding. Horse riding.
Horse riding. With which picture should I match it?
D. Option D.
Option D. Yes, option D. You're right. Option D. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Shreya, unmute. Try the second one. Shreya, unmute. Shreya, unmute. Unmute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Second one.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Badminton.
No, the second one.
Second one.
Mm.
Cycling.
Cycling. With which picture should I match it?
Third picture.
Option? Option C. Option C. Okay, thank you, Shreya. Mahadevan, try the third one. Read the name of the game.
Badminton.
No, read the name.
Swimming.
Basket. Read it. Read it. Mahadevan, read the word. No, don't guess the word. Read it. Number 3.
The Mahadevan not there.
He is there. I can see him.
But they're not telling. I tell.
Yeah. Others, mute your devices, please. Mahadevan, can you hear me? Mahadevan, can you hear me? I think Mahadevan is not able to hear me. I don't know what is the reason. Mayuga, unmute. Yeah.
Basketball.
Yes, basketball. With which picture should I match it?
Option F.
Very good. Option F. Okay, thank you. Pavin, try the fourth
Yes.
one.
Swimming.
Yes, picture.
Option A.
Very good. Thank you. Jessica, unmute. Try the fifth one.
Swimming.
No, my dear. Fifth one. Read it. It's a long word, so you break it and read it.
Badminton.
Badminton. Very good. Which is the option? Correct option?
B.
Option B. Yes, very good. Thank you. Abigail, unmute. Abigail, can you hear me? No, I think he cannot. Okay, Amaya, try the last one. Number 6.
Judo.
Not judo. Judo.
Judo.
Yeah. Which one?
Option E.
Yes, very good. Option E, judo. Okay, good. I hope everybody has been able to understand which image represents which game. Are you clear about it now? All of you? Yes. Good. Okay, yeah, I can see the thumbs up that you're showing. May I stop sharing? So we have understood the names of various outdoor games played by the children, right? And even adults, right? Okay, now let me check whether all of you have written all the answers correctly. Please show me pages 28 and 29 together. 28 and 29 together, both pages at the same time. Mayuga, where is your book?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
my mother's house.
Okay, okay. You don't have the book with you. Okay, yes. Catherine, bring it closer. Pavin, where is your book? Jessica, Amaya, Sehrish, Johan, Evelyn. Yes, Anna Maria. Okay, good. Good. Nived, where is your book? Ayush, Nived.
Ma'am, Arjun's book.
Arjun.
Get this.
Okay, mute your devices, please. Do not make noise unnecessarily. Okay, Arjun, good, good. Agnel Gills, okay. Aisha, Jessica. Pavin, I have not seen your book. Rohan. Johan, where is your book?
Mommy.
Amaya and Sarish. Aiden, okay. Herilyn, Evelyn, okay. Fida. Fida is going to get her book now. Miva and Mivon. Okay, okay. Show one by one. Don't fight. I will check both the books. Don't worry. Okay, good. Okay, Renfred, yes, fine. Shreya, yes, yes, good. Catherine's book I have seen. Okay. Yes, now let us move to the earlier exercise. For that, I want all of you to show me the one about synonyms, 13 and 14. Show me, okay, Nived, yes, I saw. What about the other page, Nived? Okay, okay, fine. Show page number 14, you show, that is enough, 14. 13 is match the pairs, right? That is a simple one. If you have understood, it will be very simple for you. Agnel Gills, where is the book? Renfred, Anna Maria. Okay, yes, Anna Maria. Aisha,
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't see your book. Not that one, my dear. Now I'm asking about page number 14. Yes, Shreya, fine. Amaya and Saharish, okay, good. Herilyn, yes.
Ma'am, I don't have a book.
Why? Abha,
I am
yes.
in mother's home.
Okay, okay. Yes, Aisha, fine, I saw it. Jessica, yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah, who's calling? Nived. Nived, I want to see page number 14.
I take the 40.
Not 40, 14. 1 4. Yeah, Aisha, mute your device, please. 14, 1 4 14.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shine. Shine, what about the last one?
I think Nived is not right.
Yeah, Emmanuel, yes, okay, fine.
Ma'am?
Yes. Yeah, Jessica. Which page are you showing me, Jessica? Okay, good. Now let us move to page number 11. 11. Come on, make it fast. Page number 11.
Ma'am, what book?
Yes, Arjun. Yes, Hedelin, good. Renfred, Amaya, Sehrish. Okay. Shreya, Rohan, yes. Emmanuel, where is your book? Jessica, Fida, yes. Aiden. Evelyn, where's your book? Abha, yes.
I don't there in the last class.
I have,
Ma'am, page number 14.
no, 11, now 11. Miva and Mivon. Okay, Miva and Mivon. There is no need to push each other for that. I will check.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Emmanuel. Okay, good. Catherine, fine. Good. Now let us move to the first one. That is a very
Ma'am.
simple one. 2 and
Ma'am,
3.
today I'm staying with Amaya.
Yeah, I saw that. Good. Enjoy. Have a good time. The sisters together.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Come on. Pages 2 and 3. Ready? Come on, come on. 2 and 3. Pages 2 and 3. Yes, good. Abba. Shreya. Yes. Miva and Mivon. Yes. Renfred. Yes, yes. Adeline. Yes. Catherine. Emmanuel.
Ma'am, which
Yes.
page?
Pages 2 and 3. Anna Maria, yes. Aisha, I didn't see a book. Agnel Gills, I didn't see a book. Pages 2 and 3. Shreya, yes. Pavin, I didn't see a book. Catherine, yes. Arjun,
Yeah, ma'am.
Arjun, have you written the answers?
Ma'am, it's not there.
2 and 3. Workbook
Okay.
part 2. Okay, Shreya, Aisha, yes. Yes, Amaya and Saharish, yes, yes. Okay. So, all right. I'll be sending the notes again in the group. So if you have missed out something, please complete it from the notes. Arjun, did you hear that? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nived, show me pages 2 and 3 of your workbook. Pages 2 and 3. Giselle, I didn't see your workbook. Giselle. Come on, make it fast. Okay, Nived. Yeah, hold it properly so that I can see it. Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, Nived. Yes, Catherine. Good. All right, my dear students, it is time for me to wind up the session here. Yeah. I'll be sending the notes. In case you have missed out something, please complete it then. All right? Yeah. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.